Okay, we've got a 2013 little hyundai i10, and it's got a bit of wishbone play in the near side front wishbone, so that's what we're on this morning. So start with the wheels, and then 21s, so I'll go get that. Okay, so to do this job we need to take out bottom ball joint there, which is, I think, is a 16mm bolt, nut and bolt, and then we're going to take that one out there, here, this bolt here, the 16, and then that one at the back, there, good job there. To be fair, I could probably do most of these with the air gun, so that'll make it a bit quicker. This is bottom nut. The ball joint nut here is a 14 nut and bolt. Pretty sure that's a 17, and probably 17 at the back. I use like a impact gun, makes it a lot quicker. I'll show you. That's enough of it. Okay, so we've taken the nut off the end now, so now we need to like punch the little bolt out. We got our ball joint splitter in here. Spread the ball joint out. The bolt on the top, right? Or it's, yeah, the bolt on the top. Right, let's get a spanner on that as well. nightmare to come out of the bottom of the ear. Right, so I put a little chisel in the top there. Just spread it a little bit to try and get it out, because it is a nightmare. And thank God for that. Right, so now just putting the new one back in, which actually should be a little bit easier, hopefully. There's a new one. Leave that bit on until we got the other two bits in, so it doesn't damage the thing. Okay. So going back in now, starting with the very back one, running our ball level so the pin goes straight through at the back, and then the rest of them we can get in line after. Okay? It's awkward. It's awkward, but you can get the socket over the nut and then lever it and angle it. Try and wind it through gently, because it's just a nightmare to get the pin in line. It needs to go up straight. But it never will do, because the push goes in at an angle. It is most awkward. You see, so you get the socket on the nut, and you pull the socket back towards the camera that way to get the bush in. And when the bush goes in, it goes on like an angle, so it's tilted. That's the only way you can get past the drop link arm. Okie doke. And that one's in now. Try and get this up one in there. So it's just the top of that, is it? 17. That one out. Probably mainly an extra pair of hands to get it in. On,
oh, hang on. Okay. Close.
All right. Now the next one, choose that other pin. There. Wrap it up, Rick. Why am I so freaking awkward on this thing? Okay. You get the next one first, Rick, before that goes going.
Yeah. That's going down with it.
Alright, try and line the pin up with a hole. No? I think spring back out and you get a jack on it. Got it? Caught you right away then. Here you go, some more. And that's one wishbone done. Put the nut on the end and away you go. Thanks for watching.